week 12. We have a couple things to discuss this week. The only true assignment that I am assigning this week, again, taking it a little easy on you because we're going to be preparing for our final project that I will give out to you on week 14. Okay, so you'll have a few weeks to work on that. But lesson 13 is the main focus for this week, and most of it you are going to do step by step, pretty self-explanatory. You'll be creating files for a web page. So then you're going to do most of it step by step. Then I did make a video where it's when you get down to designing with an artboard. Once you get down to that point, again, make sure that you're paying attention over here. But when you get to that point, there is a video that might be a little bit more helpful than going step by step. Okay, so make sure that you do realize that that is in your accessibility. You can still go step by step. I just walk you through it in the video. So if you would rather, do the step by step, you're more than welcome to do that. So that is going to be the assignment. Make sure that when you get in here, you do see that I do say save or create a contact sheet of the iPhone.jpg, the desktop.jpg, and 13 working, last name, first name. Okay, this first one will be the first part that I expect you guys to do on your own. These two are the ones that I have the video on. Okay, and here is a link to that video. The other thing that will be due at the end of the week is going to be your project 4, which is the last project before your final project. So make sure that you go in here, that you read the instructions. So I can't stress that enough. I haven't completely finished project 3. It does take me a while to go through and make sure that you did meet all the criteria. So I apologize for being a little bit behind on grading there. I usually like to get things back to you within a week. So hopefully I will get the rest of those graded within the next couple days. But notice in here, I do say, video is 30 to 45 seconds. That's what I expect. I tell you how many points is associated with it. So make sure that you go down through here. I also if you go back to the content, go to the home page in the news, I did put a helpful video on creating keyframes, because if you recall, last week I got a little frustrated, and it was because I had flown to Denver on Saturday morning, and then I flew back Sunday evening. I worked all day Monday. I was so exhausted I could not put 2 and 2 together. So anyhow, I did make a video about keyframes, and I did have here is a video on the examples of past student videos as well. So I put that in there for you as well. Now, the other thing I did want to mention, if you look in here for this week, under week 12, I do have this video. It says downloading images for the web. Please watch this and make sure that you are downloading high quality images. I have had some people grabbing thumbnails, and your images are going to be blurry, and that's going to be a huge problem. So it is just a quick little video just verifying that we are all on the same page as far as downloading images from the web. Okay, so that is week 12. That is what I have for you. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, if you get stuck on something, please reach out via email. I can set up a Webex, but this is going to be the Webex for this week. So I'm going to go ahead and post that today. If you guys have any questions, reach out.